My name is Samuel Ihenseken Jr., the counsel to Senior Prophet Jeremiah Omotu Fufunye. Thank you very much. Yes, in respect of today's matter, quite incidentally, for personal reasons, I could not make it to the courts promptly at that 9 o'clock. I was on transit on air, and for some medical reasons, I could not be able to attend the proceedings promptly as I ought to. And because of the sensitive nature of the matter, it's very important. I wrote to the court to bring it to the light of the court of the circumstances for a standard. But the court in its wisdom, the court is a court of wisdom, actually choose on the application of the counsel for Martin to say, otherwise known as Very Dark Man. On the application, he sorted for a cost of 200,000, giving the court very funny and very flimsy excuse. With all due respect to him, the court rejected that award of cost because I've been upright, and my character from the beginning of this matter has shown a lot of prudence and prompt prosecution. So the court declined that, and we should also understand that this is a matter that was originally assigned and set for the FCT High Court Vacation Court for the period of August to September. We're already in September. The courts are the vacation courts. I think they have less than 6 or 5 days. We have a lot of sundry application on our part and on the part of the defendant, Martin Sose, otherwise known as Very Dark Man. However, there's an interesting twist to this matter. The last date, I was served some court processes, which I've actually responded to, the like, and we discover a lot of discrepancy in the documents displayed, alleged, and relied upon by the defendants in this matter. So we are going to be having a trial inside a trial, in the sense is the purported receipts, which I'll make available to the press, that Mr. Martin Sose alleged to have used to buy the said spiritual items. We have discovered that those receipts, more particularly 1527 and the other one in the numbers, we have discovered that the receipt in question actually do not exist in any ramification. Is actually from wherever he has got it from. The implication is that receipt is altered and it is forged. I've made the receipt available for the press. The police have done an intensive investigation on the matter. The forensic report, I believe by now, should be out, and that we have bring before this court. We have filed it as a process and display the particular characters of that receipt so that the receipt is not just altered, it is forged. It is forged by the defendant in order to clothe him with the locus to sue in this matter. And two, he also lacks the jurisdiction to enforce any provisions of the NAFDAC Act on anybody whatsoever. He's not the Attorney General of the Federation. He has no vice, he has no competence within the meaning of the NAFDAC Act. So everything he's actually doing in this regard is a charade and is condemnable. Thank you.
Everybody knows that as at the last sitting of the court, the position is that all the pending applications, which include their motion for interlocutory injunction and our own motion too, to stop them from selling unlicensed, unregistered and unapproved products, is slated for today for hearing. But unfortunately, we are in court today, and the counsel to the church, counsel to Prophet Jeremiah Omotu Fufunye, failed to show up, and he did not even send a letter to the court. Only the representative of the court, of the church, informed the court that the counsel is out of town. One would think that a case of this magnitude, that everybody takes serious, including the parties and the counsel thereto, a lawyer will not show up. A big firm of Path Legal of Mr. Samuel Ihenseken, who has many counsel in his office, no representative came from that law office, and we consider it that a game of hide and seek has started, and we will not condone that, and that is why we ask the court to grant us a cost